Paying invoices online with State Electric is not only convenient, but safe and secure. Through our BillTrust Invoice Gateway, you can view, print, and pay, all from your account dashboard. Access to BillTrust is available to any authorized user with invoicing permission. If you need access, the State Electric team will verify approval with your company's billing contact before enabling it. If these permissions are missing, contact ACT@stateelectric.com. To get started, log in and click Hi User in the taskbar to open the My Account menu. Select Payments and Invoices from the drop-down menu, and this will take you to the BillTrust Invoice Gateway. From this menu, you can view open invoices, download PDF copies of your invoices, and make direct payments. You can also access closed invoices for your records. If you don't see the Payments and Invoices link, contact ACT@stateelectric.com or contact your credit representative. We're ready to help you get connected quickly and securely.